Screen size 3.97 inch. Interface 2 lines MIPI. Outline dimension 56.34 and 95.70 and 2 mm. Resolution 480 and 800. This module is a color-active matrix TFT-LCD module that uses amorphous silicon TFT as a switching device. This module is composed of LCD panel, driver IC and LED backlight. Features: 3.97-inch configuration, wide viewing angle, RoHS compliance, halogen-free, support customization, application, laboratory equipment. Leadtek is dedicated to the research and development, manufacturing and distribution of LCD screens, touch screens, and comprehensive display solutions. Our products adopt strict quality control to ensure stable operation and long service life for each unit. We understand your requirements for product quality, and therefore, we will always be customer-oriented, continuously improving the quality and reliability of our products.